Hey guys, this is Al. Now, today we're going to be talking about something absolutely awesome. And we're going to be talking about, of course, promoting products that are over $500 as usual. And we're going to be talking about how to make money online as usual. Because this channel and a lot of the stuff that we do is dedicated to making money for you. All right. So we have a awesome webinar that is hosted by this lovely newbie that is making about $90,000 a month because of the training that she received. All right. Now, here is the cool part. She is going to be doing a training, and the training is going to be amazing, and you're going to get free access to it if you click the link below this video. Now, the other thing is that I'm going to be doing is, because I want to encourage you to click the link so that you can get the free training, I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be giving you a mega money bonus, which is a bonus, and all you have to do to get the mega money bonus, which is basically uh, a group of ebooks or software that have to do with making money and making lots of money online. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving you that, and all we want you to do is just watch the webinar. That's it. And I want you to answer one question, and then you can email me with the answer to the question, and I'll know that you watched the webinar. All right. So the question is this. All right. Where did she say that she was from? That's it. This lovely lady here, I want you to answer the question. Where did she say she was from? You send me an email at clickspreadmoney@gmail.com and just put in she is from blank. And then if you answered correctly, we'll send you a mega money bonus. Okay, we'll give you access to the free download. You can get all of that stuff for free. All right. Now click the link below if you want to learn how to make $500, $1,000, $10,000 a month. If you want to learn the secrets of making money online and you're tired of waiting, you're tired of struggling, then click the link below this video. All right, guys, remember to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about making money online. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great one.